What's up, guys? Excalibur here. Haven't done a video in a while. I haven't been live trading either, but trying to get back into things as always. FOMC yesterday, pretty crazy. Let's go back. I'll show you what my little tactic is, and and hopefully you guys can use it going forward. Do a quick video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Should be back live trading soon. It's actually end of July. My son goes to kindergarten, so I'm gonna have basically less or more free time when he goes to kindergarten, which is gonna be awesome. I'll be live trading almost every single day. I'm gonna absolutely love it. But right now, we had, of course, always look for the push up into FOMC. Usually happens, if you go back, it probably happened 8 out of the last 9 times. You usually have a push in the FOMC, especially since they're rumored to cut their rates to 0 or not raise them. Actually, you could tell yesterday they were kind of front running that news, and that news was thing. And also, as always, seems like open, just buy the open seems to be the theme lately. Might change today as we are kind of down pre-market. This is the first kind of big red pre-market we've seen in a while, but basically my play rate here was here. We got in short around here, just didn't have enough momentum to the downside, wasn't ready yet, but just 120, like I said, $120 loss. It wasn't the biggest loss. I knew the biggest move would happen here. This was a scalping paradise at FOMC, and there's no reason to alert. So, I feel like there's no reason to alert unless I see something almost spot on, because at that time, people who do minis, my alert could be up $400 by the time you even get to it. So I just don't feel the need to do that a lot, but move up, pretty solid move. For FOMC, what I do is I go on a 15-minute and a 5-minute. Okay, you're always gonna get this. You're always gonna get what you always get is you're gonna have one move, kind of a stall before Powell talks. Then usually I move in the opposite direction. So what I love to do is wait for that 15 or 5-minute inside bar. You can tell this one's a pretty good hammer bar inside here. Take the break to it to the upside, give you good 17 points. And then what I always like to watch is kind of this last green candle before the sell, and you kind of use it as your supply. Right here. Kind of use it as your supply, and that's probably where my target would have been. We also break into the 5-minute. We would have hit right here before a big kind of drawdown. So if we would have taken that break to where I wanted to, would have been 1.77 R, which is not bad. That's what I like to do, that 15-minute inside bar. Then we just had a lot of overall chop, and then kind of a push into close. Watching kind of what kind of hurt me yesterday. I always, it's always good to look back and learn of where you made a mistake. My mistake was being close-minded on that 1-minute, chart. If I looked at the 5-minute when I took that play, I wouldn't have gotten in play. But what we're looking at is a couple things going into tomorrow. What we're going to look at is the dip going to be bought? Seems to be the theme. Dips always getting bought. Dips always getting bought. And then, a good healthy pullback would be good. I would look for, if we want to get a nice healthy pullback, you always want to take your fib, swing low to swing high here. maybe 43.72 here. Same thing like here. Got a nice push up here, pull back. Push up here, pull back, continuation. So that's what I'm kind of looking going forward. Of course, continue looking at how weak and strong Qs are. That kind of seemed to be our push, but other than that, appreciate you guys. Like I said, try to get more live trading in. Kind of just lately, I just can get my money and just kind of taking a lot of lunchtime and then coming back for power hour. You know, it's always good to do that. Get off the charts, get off the computer, keep your head sane. But overall, you know, let's see if we can get down to these lows and see more lowers, more low. Of course, that 15-minute I'm kind of watching too is kind of is that a demand also, which is funny because if you saw this, if you go back to CPI, kind of our CPI low is FOMC low. Let's see what's going to happen there. But y'all have a great day. Trade smart. Remember, markets close Monday. Y'all have a great one.